So there is only one special case of this. So if you remember in part 2, I told you when all like on the top, when all the edges contain yellow. Okay, when all the edges contain yellow, you can just do u prime r u r prime u prime, turn it on the right, and l prime u prime l u. Okay, and then an edge will come up. Okay, so then when the edge comes up, solve it. Okay, you solve it. Okay, I told you how to solve it. Then you see that again they all have containing yellow. Then again do it. Again bring a proper edge up. It's over here. Again solve it. Then also you will see yellow everywhere. So how to get rid of this yellow edge? First of all, you will have to see that whenever you are running the u prime r prime u prime, turning to the right, and l prime u prime l and u, first of all, before doing this, you will have to see that when you are running the algo, there is no solved edge on the right side. So here it is. That's why it is repeating again and again. So if you see a solved edge over here, and then turn to some other side where there is not an solved edge. Okay, and then do u prime r prime u prime, turn it on the right, and l prime u prime l u, and then a proper edge will come up. And then if you like match it, and I told you how to do it, if you insert it on its correct place, then you will not occur with the same problem that was coming. Over here there are 3 edges with yellow, but this edge is without yellow. So this was the most important special case, and like this you can solve the whole second layer. So just solving it. Okay, so it is solved. Okay, so thank you guys. If you like this special case video, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do it. And press the notification bell too, so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Please subscribe too.